Hey, so do you also use 99 acres to get more leads for your own business and you are the one who is still adding the lead details manually into your Google Sheets? Then it's time for a change. You can use Pabbly Connect and simply add your 99 acres lead details into Google Sheets without knowing any programming or coding language. Want to learn how? Then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create a connection between 99 acres and Google Sheets. So to do this, I'm going to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Connect by typing pabbly.com/connect in my browser. Now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect using which we are going to create this connection. But before we move on further, I'll show you something very helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join this community today. So let's head back towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and right now our Ganesh Chaturthi sale is going on. So if you wish to purchase Pabbly Connect for a one-time price, today is a great day, you can purchase it. Alright, let's move on further. We have two options on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on this button which says sign in. And now it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So let's click on this access now right over here to access our Pabbly Connects account. Now it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Connects account, and to get started we have to click on this create workflow. It is asking me to select the workflow builder, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want a tried and tested setup. So you can use any one from this. I'm going to use this new one, so let's go to the select of the new one, and now we have to enter the workflow name and select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So on my dashboard you can see multiple folders which I have already created in which I save my workflows. So if you also want to create a new folder, you can go to this create new folder button and create your own. As you can see that I've entered the workflow name and selected the folder. Now I'm just going to click on this button which says create, and once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started we have to click on this add trigger button, and now for the trigger application I'm going to search for 99 acres and select it. So in order to capture the lead details for my own real estate agency, I am using 99 acres, but you can connect many more applications with Pabbly Connect like housing.com. If you use Just Dial, you can connect Just Dial and much more. We have multiple videos on multiple applications connecting it for your own real estate agency. If you wish, you can definitely check out that on our YouTube channel. For the event, we have to select the event as new leads and click on this connect. Now it is giving me a webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy this webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from 99 acres because 99 acres portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out someone from the backend team of 99 acres or your account manager from 99 acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this webhook URL in your account, you will start receiving the lead information in your webhook response. So I have already added this webhook URL in my account. So I'm going to first capture this webhook response, which is the details of my lead, which further I'm going to add in my Google Sheets. So let's capture this webhook response. And now you can see that 5 seconds ago we have captured the lead details. You're going to see the first name, last name, phone number, the requirement, the area and the email address of my lead. And I'm going to add these details into my Google Sheets. So to do this, I'm going to close this trigger and go towards this add new action step. For the action application, we have to select it as Google Sheets. So let's search for Google Sheets and select Google Sheets. For the action event, we have to keep it as add new row and click on this connect. Now in order to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, we have two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already created this connection, you can go to its this select an existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then click on this sign in with Google. And once we click on this sign in with Google, Pabbly is asking me to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection. So let's select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to create this connection, and now Pabbly is asking me for some permissions. So we have to click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because our data is secure with Pabbly. You can click on this allow. Your data is 100% safe with Pabbly, no need to worry. Now we have to select the spreadsheet in which we want to add the lead details. So as you can see, the name of my spreadsheet is real estate leads. So I'm going to select the same, which is real estate leads. And now for the sheet, I'm going to select the sheet in which I want to add the lead details, which is sheet 1. Now let's move on further. It is asking me for the name, email, phone number, area and requirement. So one by one I'm going to enter all of these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So now when we map these details, what is going to happen is that whenever we're going to receive the new lead details, automatically these details will also change and the new lead details will be added in my Google Sheets. That's the reason why we do mapping, so that these details can change and this workflow can run in real time. So as you can see, I've mapped the name, which is first name, space, and then the last name, the email, phone, area and requirement. Now let's click on this save and send test request, and we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details in our Google Sheets. And as you can see, the details are added in my Google Sheets. You're going to see the name, the email, the phone number, the area and the requirement which we received as the lead details. And now with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from 99 acres, within seconds and in real time, the details of the new lead will be added in our Google Sheets. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. All of this is going to happen in backend. We can just sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll attach this workflow link in the description box below. You can check out my workflow and create this amazing automation for your own real estate agency. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.